Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another mini from the Zombicide Undead or Alive box set with Thomas this time around. It was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Death Reaper for all of the clothing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For the excessive collection of holsters and his boots, I went for Cork Brown as the base coat. The first highlight on his clothing is with Cold Corpse Blue. This is going over almost the entire thing, just leaving that Death Reaper in the recesses. Next up, I base coat the cross with sandstone. All of his exposed skin is now given a once over with elven skin. To highlight up all the leather parts, I grabbed cobalt skin and just brought up all of those large flat areas and some of the more pronounced edges. The final highlight for the dark clothing is with Wizard Grey. I do miss out the shirt in this part on purpose, just so to emphasize the fact that they're different pieces of clothing. For his grey hair, I get started with reddish grey for the base coat. Finishing his hair, I highlight up all the raised areas with warm grey. Next up is a highlight with elven flesh for all of his skin. The base gets a once over with plague brown, as with the rest of the minis in this box set. For all the metal parts, I went for plate armor. The first wash on this mini is Oblivion Black Wash for all of the clothing and metal parts. Finishing up the mini, I washed everything else with Archaic Sepia Wash. And that will be it for Thomas. I'm not a big fan of this sculpt. I don't really think it works that well with the way they do their casting, but I do like painting black clothing, so that's always a good start. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.